Hello mga badat! So, ito na mga badat. Usually, yung cat yung pinapakain ko dyan. Minsan, pag wala mga tira-tira. So, tonight lang talaga mga badat. May ibang kumain. Ano kaya ito siya? Oh, ito siya! Ito na!
Hello, baby. What's your name? You can eat all food here. Oh my God. Actually, yung food dyan, guys, is for my cat. Eh, minsan may mga cat na kumakain dyan. Oh, ngayon, walang mga cat, siya na lang. Oh my God, it's so really. Oh, he eat.
Anyways, guys, this one is kill mouse. Really, everyone, this one kill mouse. When you in this home, maybe you're lucky.
Really?
that
Oh,
guy-
andito naman siya.
Wow.
So what the name? John?
Maybe that is winner. I name him winner.
Oh, really?
Winner sausage.
I thought it's a cat. Yun, it's my first time. Oh my God, he likes my munggo. He likes my food. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's in Japanese, John? How to say in Japanese? Oh my God, bumalik na naman siya. Parang gustong-gusto niya yung munggo ko. Itong na to.
We're lucky.
Yeah. The John, just relax and let him watch and eat. Cause he's shy. Just relax. Hey. You like the munggo? See? Boy, you can eat all the foods there.
Eat my food.
It's alright.
He eat and go. He eat and go.
He's afraid.
Ready.
You eat. Sabi te, iyo. You eat all, okay? Yan ang aming visitor. What his name, John?
Pipi.
Pipi. Sometimes 3 cat come here, right?
Yeah.
But today, why only 1? John, can you...
So mga badal, ito ang name ng pusa namin sa labas, si Pipi. Actually, hindi to sa amin talaga. So, siya yung kumakain sa food pag maglagay ako dyan sa labas. So, na-amaze lang ako today kasi nakita ko yun siya. Hindi ko alam kung squirrel ba yun o ano ba yun. So, any idea, baka alam nyo anong name. Alam nyo na, ignorante lang no, kasi first time. So, thank you for watching everyone. Good vibes lang. Arigatou gozaimasu.